Sis, did you know there are Facebook groups out here that will have your home looking like you're prepping for an Essence magazine photo shoot? I'm talking pantries that mimic luxury boutiques, flower beds straight out of the pages of Home and Garden, and thrift finds so dope you'll be hitting the gas before your screensaver pops up. And here's the thing. Most people don't even know these communities exist, but that changes today because I'm sharing 9 Facebook groups where Black women are absolutely slaying spring home decor, and you won't have to leave your monitor for the hookup. So go ahead and tap that like button so YouTube knows that these are the groups you've been searching for. And with that, let's get started. Hey family, welcome back to Mommy Room Redo, the channel that celebrates our homes, our culture, and our creativity, one soulful space at a time. In this video, I'm sharing 9 verified Facebook communities where Black women are decorating, celebrating, organizing, inspiring, and yes, sharing the tea on the best finds and discounts. These aren't just groups. These are spaces where sisters show up, give real feedback, and pour into each other. Some of these communities have over 100,000 members, and some have less than 500. But every single one is priceless. Let's get right to it. Black Girl Magic Decorating Skills and Ideas. This Facebook group was created in January 2021 and has about 45,000 members sharing decorating inspiration for both indoor and outdoor spaces. And sis, the name really says it all. Expect straight up magic all over your timeline. This is one of the groups where the founders stay active, posting daily ideas, inspirational photos, and even motivational quotes. And don't sleep on the Saturday shopping sprees, because that's where the real gems show up. Members are sharing what they just picked up, sometimes before it even hits your radar. Now this group is private, so yes, you'll have to join to see everything. But trust me, it's worth it. Black Girls with Gardens. Now this one's a little different. This is a group where you follow, not join. That means you can drop in any time and instantly tap into the inspiration. And baby, the energy is here. It's alive. You'll catch everything from funny memes to real life garden transformations. And yes, even celebrity moments show up here. R&B singer Chrisette Michele posted close-up shots of her plants, and baby, it's a whole vibe. It's giving peaceful, grown, and rooted. And when spring hits, the group comes all the way live. We're talking vegetable beds, fresh herbs, raised planters, and backyard spaces turned into full-on green sanctuaries. Some women are growing entire gardens, others are starting small with a few pots on the patio. Either way, the green is greening, and you feel that in every single post. Black Girls Who Thrift. Now this group right here, this is for treasure hunters. Black Girls Who Thrift is a public Facebook community. That means you can peek at the thrift hauls, vintage finds, and resuscitated decor pieces before you even join. One of my favorites is a member-led series called Yes, I Thrifted That, where she walks through her finds from Goodwill to Rescue Mission to local hospice thrift stores. So you're not just seeing the items, you're getting the story behind the score. Now, it's a smaller group, but don't let that fool you. The creativity is here and it's strong. Black women home decor and design. Now this one right here, it feels like home. About 16,000 members, and I've been in this group since 2022. And let me tell you, I didn't just scroll, I posted. Here's my dining room redo before and after. And baby, the love, it's instant. Then I asked for African American holiday decor, and this group showed up. And when it was time for me to redo my bedroom, I put my top picks up for a vote, and I let the group decide. If you want real feedback, real support, and real opinions, these sisters will show up for you too. Black women who love interior design and decorating. Now this is one of the larger communities with about 121,000 members, and I've been personally affiliated with this group since December 2022. And the high energy of this group was one of the main reasons I selected it as my top pick for fall. The ladies here love interior design and enjoy inspiration from designers around the world. But don't get it twisted. This is not some stiff design lecture. No, ma'am. This is everyday women posting their homes, sharing ideas, and showing that little changes can make spaces feel brand new. Now, spring is here, so expect the timeline to be filled with fresh styling, plants, and those rare, beautiful refresh moments. Black women who love plants. Now, this group right here is Plant Rescue Headquarters, 300,000 sisters deep. So if your plant is struggling, just post it. And baby, they're coming. You'll get real advice real fast. Somebody always knows what to do. And the vibe is fun. There's Wild Out Wednesday, Friday favorites, folks showing off their plants like the proud mamas they are. And spring is when things really go down. New plants, fresh greenery, whole homes coming alive. Black women who love to create fabulous indoor spaces. Now this group is Transformation Central. It has about 58,000 members, and I've been here since 2020. And let me tell you, these girls show up. I posted about she sheds, and baby, they came through with their diva dens, babe barns, and full backyard escapes. These sisters said, "Oh, you want inspiration? Well, here you go." And you know what else I love about this group? These women are asking, sharing, and figuring it out all together. The feedback is honest, helpful, and immediate. You'll see before and afters that will make you stop scrolling and say, "You did that." And when it's spring, projects get done, spaces are refreshed, and ideas come to life. Black women who organize. Now, sis, if you love a good makeover, this group is for you. It has about 125,000 members, and I've been here since January 2021. And let me tell you, the girls here show out. I posted my spice cabinet redo, my pantry transformation, and my linen closet makeover. And that one alone pulled over 300 likes. And when I asked the ladies how they organized their sheets, 119 comments came back. So these ladies do not play when it comes to organization. They're all about decluttering, organizing, and resetting your home. But it's the engagement for me. Real answers, real systems, and real solutions. So go ahead and connect with these ladies this spring and get your life all the way together. Mommy Room Redo. And of course, we gotta show love to our very own Mommy Room Redo community. Started back in August 2020, this is our space. It's small, it's intimate, and it's full of creativity. This is where sisters are sharing real room makeovers, decor ideas, and those "wait, where did you find that?" deals. No pressure, no perfection, just beautiful homes created by Black women who are figuring it out, styling it up, and sharing with each other. And spring, well, that's when it really gets good. Rooms are refreshed, corners are elevated, and inspiration is everywhere. So, if you've been watching from the sidelines, come on in, sis. You're already home. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. As a Redo Room Essentials member, you'll get early access to videos, member-only posts, and behind-the-scenes moments. And if you upgrade to Redo Room Prime, you'll get monthly Black decor hit lists, deeper dives, and content I don't share publicly. No pressure, just an option. All right, so which of these groups are you going to connect with? Put your response down in the comments. Before we go, here's your soft life moment reminder today. Spring isn't just about refreshing your home. It's about refreshing your spirit too. Open the windows, let the sunlight in. Bring home a few flowers. Create a space that feels peaceful when you walk through the door. Because sometimes the soft life is simply a home that lets us breathe. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.